Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to be going over Tesla's delivery numbers and what they mean for the stock, and I just want to say that in general I don't like bragging about things, but honestly I feel like I pretty much need to brag about this. Yesterday, or what was it, 2 days ago, I made a video about the deliveries, and I think I was pretty much the only YouTuber on the entirety of YouTube that was saying that they're going to smash through the deliveries. And I'm honestly so happy with the results that Tesla pulled out. I mean, 184,000. Even I, who was super bullish on these deliveries, was expecting about 181. And 184 is just absolutely incredible. I mean, I am blown away by these deliveries. So I think the stock's going to have a huge surge. And if you guys could subscribe, that'd be really, really awesome, because, I was one person that actually got these numbers right. And even though I don't get things right all the time, I try to. And, if you guys could subscribe to me, that'd be really, really awesome, because, I try my best on videos. I put a lot of work into them. And, yeah. Anyways, about the numbers. Tesla produced 180,000 vehicles, and they delivered 184,000 vehicles. And the reason that they delivered more than they produced is because they were not selling any, they were not producing any new Model S and X pretty much this quarter, because their production lines were shut down for Model S and X, because they were revamping them to suit the new Model S and X, the refresh. So that's the reason why they basically shut down production for those, and they had very minimal amount of deliveries for Model S and X, and why they produced less vehicles than delivered, basically. And that's the reason really why analysts were so bearish on this deliveries, because they were factoring in that Model S and X wouldn't be selling like at all, pretty much, because they're not producing any new ones. But I guess Tesla just pulled a rabbit out of a hat with this deliveries. I mean, I'm surprised myself at this. I was expecting a huge beat, but not this huge. I mean, this is crazy. Analysts, according to CNBC, were expecting 168,000 vehicles to deliver, and they did 185. That is a huge, huge beat. 185. If you divide that, 185 divided by 168. That's like a 10% beat, at least, on the numbers, which is just enormous. I mean, Tesla completely smashed their estimates. So to go into the numbers a bit more in depth, Model S and X, there were 2,000 vehicles, so very limited, because all they were doing was they were like delivering like old supply, basically, of Model S and X that were already like left over, because they weren't making any new ones. And Model 3 and Y, just huge, 182,780 vehicles. So that's an enormous amount of Model 3s. And honestly, I'm amazed by these deliveries. In terms of what it's going to do for the stock, I think it's going honestly to all-time highs pretty soon, because these deliveries just showed that Tesla, even through an incredibly difficult climate with global chip shortages, and even one of their main flagship vehicles being shut down, two flagship vehicles being the production being shut down, they were still able to completely smash their estimates and have growth quarter on quarter. So I'm just incredibly amazed by these numbers. Everybody else on Wall Street is. I'm expecting at least an open of $700 a share, at least, on Monday. If anything, I see the day rally to 750 or maybe even 800. Those are my targets. The first target is right here, 700. Second, 750. Third, 800. Those are my targets for like the very short term, like pretty much. Those are like my targets for Monday. And I think there's a chance it could go higher. I'm not so sure, but I think it's a possibility that we actually rally to 880 or 900 and then maybe come down a bit, because it'll be a bit overcooked. But that's what I see. First three targets, 700, 740, about 800. And then I could see 850 and 880. And last target that I could see is like right up here at 900. That's kind of what I see happening for this week. I just see this stock progressing up and up and up and up and up, possibly hitting all-time highs. I really do see it. And one disclosure here, I have several relatively large options positions on Tesla open currently. So of course I have a bias to the upside, but I do actually believe this. Even if I didn't have options, I would have the same opinion on this. And I also have like 15 shares of Tesla. So, I have a pretty large position here, but even not counting that position, I would still have this belief about the stock because they just smashed the numbers and just proved what an incredible company they are. I mean, I'm amazed by this delivery support. I think everybody should be amazed by this delivery report if I'm going to be completely honest. And I think that just about sums up this video. If you guys did enjoy, I would love if you guys left a like and subscribe. That'd be really awesome. And I'm going to catch you guys next time. Peace.